Hey, it's been a while for the Gwillows 109E with the Desert Camel. I bound it to the DX9 and it's ready to fly. It's been a long time since I've flown this. It's literally been years. You know, probably 2 years, something like that. You know, things get busy, whatever. But let's take it up. Let's see how it flies on the DX9. So it's actually a remade, I guess you would say. And already I programmed some voice stuff in here like this.
Motor off.
That's gonna get real old, but whatever.
Motor off. Motor off.
Yeah, quit it. Stop
Motor
it.
Off.
Yeah.
Motor off.
Okay, we're gonna turn the motor on now. All right, here we go. Wow. There's a crosswind and it got into it right away. Look at that. It flies. Right. Try and keep it closer in. Yeah, a little down. Get them back here. A little more right. There we go. That's pretty good. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've flown this model, but it had crazy power. It's 2-cell 800 milliamp. I remember it flew like, I think you can get 7 minutes off this thing. And yeah, it used to be very aerobatic. It's almost enough at wide open throttle to make you panic. Yes.
Panic.
Yes, panic. So that's real encouraging, a radio that gives you a mode to panic. Trying to stay cool, trying to stay cool.
Panic.
Oh, no, panic. All right, I was just clowning around with that before. Let's try a loop. Nice. Yeah, this was always a fun model. But it really hunts the wind. If there's any wind, it likes to find it and fly into it. It's a rubber powered, or I think they gave it an option for the 010. Maybe the 020 cocks on it. Some flybys. I always loved that color scheme. That was, I remember seeing it in books when I was a little kid in the 70s. Going, just thinking it was such a cool color scheme. It's like flying over the desert. So I tried to mimic that, like, literally, like, I think 8 years ago I built this. Nice. I'm gonna try low rates.
Low rate.
Well, that's much less responsive. You want this? Yeah, that's a direct crosswind. So I'll have to play it a little different land in this thing.
Normal mode.
So this is normal, okay? All right. So she says it's normal, so it must be normal. Should do a normal loop. There's a normal barrel rollish corkscrew loop. Rolls. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is flying off an old G-Force receiver. Remember those things? From Value Hobby. They're like $1.99. Well, maybe not that cheap, but they seem to fly these models yet. Until I get a solar flare and stuff it in. Well, there's something to blame it. Mom wants us to land. Alright, let's see if we can line this thing up and make it land.
Motor off.
It's not really off. It's almost off. Alright, here we are.
Motor off.
Yay! Look at that.
Motor off.
Oh, quit it,
Motor
dear. Mom.
Motor off.
Okay, we'll leave it off then. Well, there it is. Fun. Still really fun to fly. Even though it's a little windy for it today. But I hope that helps with my Gwillows models and stuff that's just RC model plane stuff. I know I've been off on that Charger building that, and that's a whole nother thing. I'm gonna try not to drag that into these videos, but keep the model plane videos model planes. So thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging in there, guys. There's more stuff to come because it's fall, and I love flying my Battle of Britain planes and my World War II planes when it's fall. Thanks for watching.